open.
Open up.
Doors be open.
Open up.
Graves be open.
Open up.
In the name of the Lord Jesus.
Open up.
By the power of the blood.
Open up.
Lift up your heads, O ye gates.
Open up.
And be ye lifted, ancient doors.
Open up.
Over Canada, Calgary.
Open
We herald the reign of Yeshua.
Open up.
Blessed is he that comes in the name of the Lord. And we decree and declare that from sea to sea, every bondage is broken, every grave is open. Come on, Canada, celebrate the hand of God. Say open up, everyone. That's your prophetic word right there. Every limitation over your life, every reign of darkness, give way. Graves be open. Doors be open. Your heavens be open. Come on, someone pray in the spirit. Pray in the spirit as you receive this word.